Welcome to the weekly news update of cryptocurrency. In this series, we will give you weekly updates and news related to cryptocurrency. Starting off with Bitcoin price and Ethereum prediction, BTC faces challenges below $30,400 as a decline to $29,500 possible. Yesterday, Bitcoin dropped to nearly $29,000, but bulls quickly bought the dip and brought the price back above $30,000. The market as a whole is mostly green, but assets in the top 100 are not showing strong growth. However, this sudden surge in value also faced some resistance, and Ethereum subsequently pulled back slightly to the $2,095 level. The other update is that Trump launches and sells out second NFT series depicting himself as George Washington, King of Hearts. Former U.S. President Donald Trump, who has been indicted, announced the successful sale of his latest collection of non-fungible tokens on Tuesday. This new collection portrays Trump in various personas, such as a historical figure, a youthful patriot, a king, and a world leader. Trump shared the news of his latest venture on social media, stating, "I am pleased to inform you that, due to the great success of my previously launched digital trading cards, we are doing it again. Series 2, available right now." According to Trump, the series sold out in record time, raising an estimated $4.6 million. Coming to the big announcement that FTX Exchange's revival plan attracts potential bid from Tribe Capital. Will Sam Bankman-Fried be involved? An effort to revive collapsed crypto exchange FTX has drawn interest from Tribe Capital, a venture firm seeking to lead a $250 million fundraising campaign for the new platform. According to a Tuesday report from Bloomberg, Tribe is considering injecting new capital to reboot FTX. The VC firm aims to spearhead a $250 million fundraising campaign, anchored by $100 million from itself and its limited partners. The report said that Tribe co-founder Arjun Sethai has already met with FTX's Committee of Unsecured Creditors to discuss the informal proposal. The proposal included an estimated 9 million customer accounts, FTX USA, FTX Australia, FTX Japan, FTX EU, FTX International, and LedgerX. However, it excludes a venture capital portfolio and crypto assets, among others, the report said. In other news, South Korean president calls for war on crypto-powered drug trafficking. South Korean President Yoon Suk-yeol has declared an all-out war on crypto-powered drug trafficking after a large number of narcotics trading teens were handed jail time. As per Today Korea, Yoon said there was a need to mobilize all government capabilities in the fight against drugs. At a cabinet meeting held at the presidential office in Seoul on April 18th, Yoon said, "It is shocking that drugs are widely distributed among teenagers, our next generation. Teenagers are now participating in drug smuggling or distribution organizations." In final update, Venezuelan crypto exchange CoinCoinEx temporarily halts operations. What's going on? The Venezuelan crypto exchange CoinCoinEx says that it has temporarily stopped operations amid reports users cannot make withdrawals on its platform. It is a move that has reportedly left thousands of customers unable to access their funds. In a tweeted statement, the exchange said that users' funds were safe and protected, but it blamed the pause on the current regulatory situation in Venezuela. It claimed that it was temporarily halting its operations pending regulatory approval. The company wrote, "The funds of our users are protected, secured, and available for use as soon as we obtain the necessary regulatory approval that will allow us to let them make transactions as normal. We understand the concern and worry caused by this situation, and we appreciate your patience." That is all for our weekly update. If you like the video and find the information helpful, drop a like to the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any updates.